Was basically about the joint venture and the foreign collaboration that I was discussing the last part of my talk. I was trying to find out as to how different standards needs to be adhered to, different nitty-gritties that needs to be followed in order to make sure that a joint venture or a foreign collaboration between two countries made successful. Such important point regarding joint venture and foreign collaboration is the deputation of training personnel. This is one important aspect that needs to be taken care of very seriously, because at the end of the day, training personnel are those who are going to provide training and technical know-how to those people who are basically unskilled in nature, people who have little knowledge as to how to take care of any sort of new project that is coming to their country or to the nation or to the economy, for example, or how to take care of a newly established software company. Also, training is another important and essential issue that basically needs to be understood very carefully before drafting any sort of legal agreement or legal pact between two nations. Process training at times is borne by the nation that is providing the training to unskilled personnel out there. At times it's borne by the nation who is basically availing of those services or technical services of those facilities that is coming to their country. So it is to be sorted out and worked out by the two nations and by the legal experts of the two countries. Last but not least, another important issue regarding any sort of foreign collaboration or joint venture is the culture of the country to which any project is going, any new project is going, or to which any new software company is basically trying to spread its certain tackles. So it's basically on the culture of the country. It depends on how the people would react, how the employees who are basically having a certain technical knowledge, they would react to any new project or to any new software company that is coming into the country. So it depends on how the people, the educated class of the people are going to react. Coming back to the point of training personnel, it needs to be understood and remembered very carefully that training is the core element of any successful software program or any successful project that comes to any part of the world. And if the training is unsuccessful, if this training is missing in some way or the other, the entire project may collapse altogether. If any part of the joint venture or legal agreement or any foreign collaboration agreement between any part of the world is basically not adhered properly, then it might lead to nullification of the foreign collaboration altogether, and the collaboration or the joint venture might not work out properly. At the end of the day, it could be a failure of foreign collaboration, a failure of nation between the two countries, between a company which is basically trying to reach out to any other foreign company out there. And what it basically means is that the two countries are basically not quite mature enough to conclude any sort of foreign collaboration or joint venture.